Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. Thank you so much for clicking on today's video. Before I start, I just want to say a massive thank you for all the messages that I got. Me and my daughter are both back home now, safe and well. She's actually having a nap slash semi trying to wake up next to me here. So if you hear any niggles in the background or you see me looking off in this direction, you know why. She's settled into the family beautifully. Her big sister absolutely adores her. And yeah, it's just been absolutely great having her back home. But anyway, as you can see from the title, I've got a Poundland haul for you today, so let's get straight on into the video. So we went for a picnic on Monday and we just took a rucksack with us. Now this isn't part of the Poundland haul, but this company sent me a really amazing picnic bag and I just want to show you and thank them also for sponsoring this part of the video. So they are a company based on Amazon, so if you're going for a last minute picnic and you need something super duper quick, you can order from Prime. We got the big bag, so you can see that this is in a lovely grey colour. I absolutely love the details on it. It's so big I'm struggling to fit it in the camera, but yeah, we took a rucksack and everything was falling out, and we just, because my daughter's obviously, she's now 2.5, my first, and she's got her own snacks and her own sandwiches and drink and everything, and we just don't have enough room in there. So when they said, do you want to try this picnic bag out, I jumped at the chance. I do love a winter picnic and that's what we went on earlier in the week, but obviously with summer and spring coming up, we're going to be going on so many picnics because she loves going to the park, and this bag is fantastic. So it's really thick, really sturdy, so you get these handles here, you can see it's got extra support here, so it's really kind of easy on the hands to carry if you've got loads of heavy things in there. It's not going to rub on your fingers. And then you do also get a big shoulder strap as well if you are traveling a little bit further. It has this huge compartment at the front, good for like little mini cookies and biscuits and things, and chocolate, you know me. And then on the inside it is this huge big compartment, plenty of room to get your sandwiches, your snacks and your drinks in, and this feels really sturdy. I feel like it's one of those picnic bags that is going to last for years and years. What is great about this one is obviously it's a really big bag, but you can actually fold this down into itself so that it doesn't take up much storage room, which is perfect for us because we don't live in the biggest house and we kind of have to utilize the space as best that we can. So this is absolutely fantastic for us, not to mention the mesh pockets on the side, which is great for just other little bits and bobs if you want to put some extra cans or something in. And this bag also does keep things cool and warm. So this big bag here is £24.99 I believe, but you can also get a smaller one, say if you are just like going to work and stuff, or there's just a couple of you going for a picnic, and that one is £15.99. You can also get it in black as well if grey isn't your colour, but yeah, you know what I'm like, I do love grey, and I just love the little tan detail on here. I just think it makes it look so expensive and so classy. So I definitely recommend trying these guys out. I'll definitely leave all of their links and everything in the description box below if you are interested in getting a good picnic bag this spring summer. I cannot wait to use this like all year long and for the years to come. And now into what I got from Poundland. I did pick up a few Easter bits. I'm probably going to show you my favourite thing first, which is this really cute little lilac bunny. It's kind of furry and soft, and it's on this really nice wooden plank. I feel like it's quite a nice Easter decoration. It's not too kind of out there or bright if you like to keep things subtle, and it's got a really cute little white bobble tail. I have lost my receipt, I can't find it anywhere, but I don't think this was any more than £2. And yeah, I can't wait to put him up on the side. He'll probably go by our telly, and I'll just put him next to some nice spring flowers. My daughter, who is older, she's 2.5, so I'm going to do a little bit of an Easter egg hunt, and they have these plastic ones in at Poundland at the moment, and they're the ones that kind of open like halfway. And the reason I got these was because I'm going to put some mini eggs inside them, and they also have like little animals that I could have bought, but I'm not sure. She's going through a weird stage at the minute. She didn't used to put things in her mouth, like toys and stuff. Like she grew out of it and she seems to have grown back into it. Don't know if she's picked it up from nursery or somewhere, but yeah, I'm just really funny with her having really tiny toys at the moment. So I haven't got any of those, but if you've got kids that do like that sort of thing, like using them for crafts and stuff, you could get them and put in it. But yeah, these were only £1, so I'm going to hide some chocolates in those and dot them around the house so she can go and find them. I'm also going to make it up a little bit of an Easter basket. I don't normally kind of go crazy on Easter, but I feel like she's at that age, she loves crafting, and to be honest, it's just a good way for her to kind of like recognise the seasons. I feel like it's actually quite good for learning. So I picked up this little paint your own bunny. It's got absolutely squished in the bag and it's rolling around on the inside, but you can see it's just a tiny little pop bunny, and it does also come with 3 different paint colours on the inside. So if you've got little ones, I feel like this is just kind of perfect, particularly if it's like a rainy day, really cold day, don't know what to do with them. Something like this is fantastic, and yeah, she loves doing stuff like this. So that was only £1 as well. I also picked up an activity book, again £1. I am saying the prices because obviously things are all different in Poundland, aren't they now? And yeah, it's just an Easter activity book. In fact, she gets through so much colouring books, we've actually run out. So yeah, I picked this up for her so that she can just colour in, and she's great at just kind of getting stuff herself out and then putting it away after, which is great whilst I've got little one, particularly because I am breastfeeding. Talking of little one, I bought a grey changing mat, like one of the travel ones from Poundland. It was £5 and it's been absolutely brilliant. We keep it in our bedroom. Then I went back in because I wanted one for the changing bag. Should have got to it at the time, always regret it, and they didn't have one, but they did have this, and I think this was £3. So it is a Clean On Me changing mat. Same sort of thing. It's got these really pretty pink and grey clouds and stars on. In fact, they look like starfish. Oh no, it's shells and starfish, not clouds and stars. But yeah, it's just this changing mat that you can throw in the bag. If anything, this one might be a little bit better for the bag because it's not as thick. It won't take up as much room. And yeah, I think this was £3, so a little bit of an essential. They did have these in the Easter section actually, which does work out better for me with my daughter putting things in her mouth at the moment, because these are a little bit bigger and I feel like she'll love playing with these little eggs. So there's there's 2 little bunnies and a little chick, and then a chick that's just popping out its shell. So I won't be able to fit those in the eggs probably, but I'll just pop them in her Easter basket. I think she'll just love like making up stories. She's at that age where she loves playing with dolls, and she loves like playing with teddies, pretending she's having a picnic, or they're at the doctor's. So yeah, she'll love just doing some role play with these. And again, for £1, I just feel like they're great, even if you just want to use them as Easter decor. Actually, they're really pretty, and they had loads of different ones of these in. In fact, I am going to be doing a Poundland come shop with me. That'll be on the channel I think in a week's time. So yeah, definitely keep an eye out for that if you want to see what they've got in store. Then I noticed at the till they had these 50p bargains. So I got some of the Grays chocolate hazelnut, and these can be like £2–3 in other shops. And I had a look at the date thinking, oh, it's probably because they're past the best before date or whatever, but no, they still have a month on them, and we're definitely going to get through these. So I got the chocolate hazelnut one, and I also got the Grays honeycomb caramel one. Love both of these, to be honest. I mean, it's a chocolate brownie. I am trying to be a little bit better now that I have had my daughter. I mean, when I'm pregnant, I just kind of eat what I want when I want. And she was a big baby. She was 9'3". I mean, I was a hungry lady when I was having her. There was just days where I couldn't stop eating, but now I am trying to kind of feel like a little bit better in myself, and I can't go without snacks. Like, that's just not going to happen. It's not realistic for me. So having something like this in the cupboard that I can have with my afternoon cup of tea when I can get it. I'm drinking so much cold tea at the moment, it's unreal. But yeah, I will enjoy those, and in fact my eldest daughter will enjoy them as well. Talking of healthier snacks, I also got some of these skinny raw bars. These were a little bit like the Naked bars, but a little bit cheaper, I think. In fact, I've not bought Naked bars in years. I used to buy them all the time when I was at uni, and you can buy them in bulk from Costco, cheaper, but I've not bought them in ages. But yeah, I got this one because it was chocolate brownie, and you can just see that I am chocolate obsessed. That is it's just my downfall. These are pressed fruit and nut bars. They're 99 calories. I have had these before and I did really like them. Another thing for my daughter's Easter basket, cannot go wrong with buying the stickers. So I've got these ones with little chicks on and baskets, and then also these ones with little bunnies on as well. Oh my gosh, she's just obsessed. What is it with kids and stickers? They just absolutely love them, don't they? And yeah, we might even make some like cards and things for the family, just for something to do. So it always says 2 for 1 on these, but they always charge me £1 each in my shop. I don't know whether that's just my store, that the barcode isn't set right, or whether it's like a nationwide thing, but yeah, I always get charged £2 for my stickers. Then I did also get the hubby some flapjacks. He really loves flapjacks and he's not had these in ages. I think these are £1 each. I don't think they're 2 for £2. 2 for £1, sorry. And yeah, so I got him the chocolate flavoured one. So it's basically just a flapjack with a chocolate layer on the top. That would be my go-to, but he kind of likes quite plain desserts. Like, we can never agree on a cake in Costa, because I always want the one that looks like crazy with like loads of icing or chocolate on, and he just wants like their like muesli bar or whatever. So I did also get him this one, which I think has, what does it have in it? It says dried fruit. So it has in raisins and sultanas. I thought it might be a cherry one actually in red, but yeah, he'll really like that because he doesn't really love raisins. So yeah, they're just like a great little snack for him to take to work. And then the last thing that I got from Poundland was this bar, and it's a Slim Fast double chocolate one. It's a 99 calorie bar. Again, I'm building up like a little bit of a lighter snack area in my cupboards, and I just wanted to give that a go and try it. Again, I think this was like 25p or 50p or something. It's ridiculously cheap, so I thought, oh, I'm just going to throw it in and see what it's like. I did also pick up my nephew a little book. This was £3. I've already wrapped it and given it to him because it was his birthday at the weekend, but it's a little peekaboo book and it's got all the animals in, so I thought that was great for learning at his age. So he turned 1, and I just know that my daughter, well, she still does to be fair, she loves all the interactive books, and she did at that age because they just hit that age where they like turning the pages, lifting things up, seeing what's underneath. So I always feel like a book is a good present for kids if you don't know what to get them. That was just a little gift book for him, and I thought it was great for £3. Oh, and then these just fell into the bag. These are actually from Jess, but I've just thought I'd show them anyway because I just think they're so pretty. So these are some dried flowers. These are artificial leander flowers, I don't know, but yeah, these are, I actually bought some dried flowers from Primark. You would have seen these ages ago in haul, but they only actually came with like 1 flower, and these are going to go in my daughter's room where there's a little bit of pink. So I wanted to add something that had a tinge of pink, but that was nothing too crazy. So yeah, I got these. So they're like a brownie pink dried flower, and I just thought they would look gorgeous in this bedroom, particularly like on here with my lamp and things. So I've got a desk in my daughter's room because I do work from home when I'm not on maternity. And yeah, just that were nice. So they were like £2 or £3. And then I also finally got some green cushions for the living room. I feel like I've been banging on about this in all my videos, but finally got some from Jess. And I'm thinking about doing a spring/Easter like clean and decorate with me video, so I might show them in that if you are interested, but I don't know whether to do it or not, so do let me know if you are interested in that video. But that was it for this haul. I do really hope you enjoyed it. Don't forget to give it a big thumbs up if you did. Don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already, and I'll see you in my next video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye bye.